Welcome to new exciting video of Dikshita Kamre's channel, and today's video is about the Vocalize campaign of Google Crowdsource. So a few days ago I uploaded one video on the whole crowdsource goodies, and I really got good response, and people were asking me about how I get those goodies. So here is a new campaign from Google Crowdsource where you can contribute, you can participate in that campaign, and you can get such exciting goodies. So in this video, I will be telling you about what is this Vocalize campaign, how you can contribute, who can contribute, and what you will get after participating in this campaign. So in order to register for this campaign, watch the complete video from start to end, and you will get to know everything about it. So don't miss any part. Just follow everything. So let's get started with knowing about what is this Vocalize campaign. So as its name suggests, it is Vocalize. That means to improve Google's speech recognition technology. So the Google speech team builds platform and technology to support products that you can talk to, that can seamlessly understand you and can talk back in the most natural manner. So in day-to-day life, we use Google Assistant, which is this Google speech recognition technology, in which involves Google speech recognition technology. So this Vocalize campaign is an opportunity for you to share your voice recordings to improve speech machine learning technology for users everywhere through the new audio donation task on the crowdsource. So if you are using crowdsource app, then you might have come across the audio donation task. But if you are not using Google crowdsource app, then let me tell you, there is one new task on the Google crowdsource app, and you can download that app from the Play Store. Just visit there and type crowdsource, and you can download from there. So after some time, I will explain you about how you can contribute in the audio donation task. So first of all, let me tell you what will be the impact of this campaign and who can contribute or who can participate in this campaign. Impact will so the impact of this vocalization campaign will be like it will improve TTS, that is text to speech translation. It will improve ASR, that is automatic speech recognition technology. It will enable accessibility, support research. So make as much as possible contributions, so it will help the Google speech recognition technology, and you will get exciting goodies for your contributions as well. So now let's see who can participate in this campaign. So this Vocalize campaign is exclusively for Africa and India, and only for limited and it is for selected languages only. So anyone who speaks these following languages like Assami, Gujarati, and these African and all other Indian languages, so these people can contribute in this campaign and they can participate. Then Android users, since this task is only available on the Crowdsource app and on the Play Store only, so Android users can participate in this campaign, and anyone who is at least 18 years of age can participate in this campaign. So now the most important part, how you can participate in this campaign. So to register for this campaign, just visit my blog, which is the freeguidex.blogspot.com. I will put the link of this blog in the description section. So you will find this how to participate section over there. So in this section, you can find this link, Vocalize campaign link. I have just highlighted over here. So just click on this link, open a new tab. So you will find this form, Vocalize campaign form. Then put your email address, crowdsource email address, like the email address which is associated with your crowdsource app. Put this email address here. Then your full name. Then select your country. And if your country is not listed above, like if you are from any other country from except from Africa and India, and if you are knowing about any African and Indian language mentioned in the conditions, then you can participate in this campaign. Then select the languages in which you can speak, like you can contribute in these campaign, then select this team. So there are four teams: red, blue, green and yellow. You will be asked to select your languages and prefer team color. You can select any you like, any color you want, and depending on that color that you have selected, you will be a part of one of the four teams, that is blue team or green team, red and yellow team. So you will be grouped with other participants across the two regions who made the same selections as you. Fun and friendly competition of contributing to audio donation task, one group will emerge as the winner. So now select any team you want, then make sure you're not editing this referred by section, keep it as it is, and check on this yes I am radio button if you are at least 18 or above. Then agree the Google's privacy policy and click on submit. Okay, so I hope you got how you can participate in this campaign. Like, first of all, you need to visit the link I have mentioned in my blog. So go to my blog freeguidex.blogspot.com, visit that link, fill that form, and sign up using the email address associated with your crowdsource app only. And to confirm your participation, note, to confirm your participation, you should not edit the referred by section. Keep it as it is, and for fill other details and just hit on submit. Uh, Once you hit on submit, if you fill all the details correctly and as per conditions, then you will receive a mail after some hours, and uh, then you can start contributing in that campaign. So contribute to the audio donation task on the crowdsource app, and the period is of 2 months, that is from November 15 2021 to January 14 2022. So how you can contribute to the audio donation task. So when you install the crowdsource app from the Play Store, you will find a audio donation task there. Just click on that audio donation task and you will see a UI like this. So here you can see this, you need to select any language. Here English is selected, so it is showing, it will show any word or sentence. You need to tap and hold this record button and record your audio. So here you need to tap and hold and read loudly what is here, Pescadero Creek Park. So record this word or sentence, and then once you record, just check it once and then submit. So in this way you need to make at least 250 contributions in order to be eligible for this wax. So contribute as much as possible. After contributing in this campaign and after participating in this campaign, what you will get is, so the members of the top contributing group, uh, as you are knowing that there are four teams: red, blue, yellow and green. So the members of the top contributing group, which is out of four cross-national regional teams, and individual top contributors within each language will receive a curation of exciting goodies. Please note, individual top contributors and top contributing group within each language will receive a curation of goodies. And to be eligible for this, participant must make at least 250 quality contribution to the audio donation task. So this was all about this Vocalize campaign by crowdsourced by Google. So after contributing and participating in this campaign, you will be eligible for these crowdsourced goodies. So this was all about from my side. I try to explain as much as possible to you all guys so that you can contribute in that campaign. I hope you have understood what I told you. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that big like button, so it will motivate me to make more videos. And thanks for watching.